So I decided to build this chair. Looks pretty good, eh? I don't know. It feels a little empty though. Since it's Halloween, how about I add a little something? I do got a few extra spare black bricks. Nothing little magic can't solve. And 1, 2, 3.
Fool! Oh, wait. It's you.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this amazing build. Like and subscribe. And even though this video is not sponsored, please do play Ahead in Time. It's really great. I'm serious though, definitely do play it.